apply sa patient. So kita mo sa tourniquet kasi wala nag-apply. That's why always communication patient kung hugot ba o luwag, kung hugot ra, i-release. Ang importante na ay blood circulation. Dili manglagong or ulos pa niyang ano. Natuwa? Ano? Again. Okay. So, yung na lang. Then, lock. Thank you, ma'am. So, yun na lang naman, sir, no? Until maabot sa hospital. And ikaw sa hospital, tangan nyo daw, aba, nakasaya. Yan ang siya na trabaho. Okay? Any questions? Okay. This is direct pressure niya, no? Mama, sir, ang pressure point is, ang pressure point, ano ang pulso na pulso? Ang pulso na pinakadool sa samad o dool sa heart. Ang lawas sa tao dahil kini pulso. Ang carotid, brachial, femoral, or etc. No? Hindi na tayo bumubuhong kung nauna. Gikan dire, ayaw samad. Yang heart na dire. Asay pulso pinakadol. Na dire. Okay. So, when we say pressure points, example, wala pa rin mandate siya. Pressure point, yung na puman dire ang pulso. Why? Again, by the time your heart pumps, it pumps blood. So, hindi mo lang pugnan diha para i-pump sa iyong heart, ang blood flow, dili dahil yung kusog din eh. Kaya mo mag-ipugnan. Para makaklat ang dugo din. Basta ang breathing. What? Next is, direct pressure point, then elevation. Elevate above from the heart. Okay. Elevate above from the heart. Kaya again, by the time your heart pumps, it pumps blood. So, elevate above from the heart para ang pressure, hinay or dugay mo abot ang dugo para makaklat yun, makastop ang breathing. That's the purpose. Okay? Acceptan na po? Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, sana kong remembrance in one if afraid na lang. Okay? Okay, any questions, ma'am, sir? Acceptan na? Or pass-pass na po? Okay? Next, happy na lang? Fracture, no? So last topic, fracture. Common ba rin sa eskwelahan, dili? Common. Common, sir. Then, there are types of fractures, no? Nakikita ko ng hairline fracture, no? Okay, etc. As long as fracture. Two classifications of fracture, open and closed fracture. Okay? Closed fracture, fracture siya na S na yung trauma. Fracture siya ba? Walay dugo. That is closed fracture. Fracture pa rin. When we say open fracture, sarap nito, no? Okay. Nahidugo, may gawas mo ginagawa. As long as nahidugo, nothing na rin yung gawas at buko. As long as nahidugo, that is open fracture. Okay? Mama, sir, ano sa'yo? Mama, sir, na fracture. Sorry.
Cast.
Nakikita mo ko? Splents or splenting na, sa splenting na, ha? Kung baka laki-laki ba? We will protect we will immobilize the fractured area. Okay? Question, ang splenting, first aid or delay?
First aid.
Delay. You're just immobilizing the injured part. Okay? O question, kanang ginagtan, kanang minum ka ba yung Jessic, first aid, delay? Delay. First aid is someone that is prescription by the doctor. But only, over the counter na ginasiya, mapalit lang na bisan din sa, no? But when we say tambal, it's not first aid. Okay? Ang first aid sa hila, that is ito, warm water, compressed sa, kung may tali na. That is the first aid. Okay? Any questions? Sure ba? Kung wala yung question, ako mo ako na. Okay?
Sige daw.
Ako na. Okay. Ako pili. Okay. Question. Mama sir, naglibo, naikalibgan, or okay na? Sige. Mama sir, kung wala na question sir, wala na pamagana? Okay, thank you for your cooperation and listening na sir. Okay, so this is my presentation. Okay, so follow si Sir Jerry sa yung topic. Okay, so again, I'm Coach Lucenas from First Grade 211. Thank you and mayong hapon sa inyo. Okay mga sir, let's have a break, no? CR break or kung saan naka-break na mas eh. Pwede na mo mag-break na mo. Okay? Break na mo?
Look.
Okay. 5 minutes na. 5 minutes break. Okay? So, at exactly 3:10, start na sa next topic. Okay? Snacks break or CR break or break. Okay? Thank you and may hapon sa lahat.